Hello and welcome to Billie's Craft Room. In today's film I've got something a little bit different. My favourite place to shop for crystals is Crazicarmas crystals on eBay, and I just want to show you why. Here's the box that arrived, and it's just like getting a present. There's some bags. These cute little angels, look. Can you see? Can you see? How cute are they? I'm going to turn this box upside down and we'll see what we've got. It's just like Christmas. Don't worry about all this tissue, I'm going to reuse it. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Might need to do a second video to give you the names of these crystals. Ah, I remember this one. This one's called Hessonite. I'll try and put the names in the description at the end of the video. Ah, I think that one was banded green calcite, but I'm not sure. Check out the description at the end. Little tumblestone. And it's got little flecks of red in this one. What I love about Crazicarmas crystals is that she has really good photographs on the website, so you know just what you're getting, and the crystal that you see in the picture is the actual one you're going to get. And in the descriptions she writes down all about it, like the healing properties that are associated with it, as well as where in the world that it came from. Ah, this one is iolite with sunstone. I love this crystal so much. It's so pretty. I really hope this is in focus. Ah, now remember this one as well. This one was Outback Jasper. Gotta love Jasper, so soothing. think that's everybody. A bit of a shape. Yep. So, the ones I remember. This one was Hessonite. I think this one is banded green calcite. This one was iolite with sunstone. Outback jasper on this one. And I can't remember the names of the middle three, but I'll put it in the description. But anyway, I did buy these crystals. I want to make that quite clear. But if you're looking for a great place to buy crystals, I can highly recommend Crazicarmas crystals, which you can find on eBay. If I bring that over a little bit, hopefully that's in focus to show you where to get them. It's always best to buy crystals in person, because each has, even within a particular crystal, they all have their own unique energy, and which ones resonate with you will vary. But as that's not possible at the moment, a lot of us are turning to buying online. And I have to say, every crystal I've bought from this seller has been absolutely fantastic. Her pictures are so clear. She takes pictures from every view, every angle, and they're really high quality pictures, really good close-ups. So you really do get a good feel for the crystal that you're going to get, and it's the one in the picture that she sends you. That's not always the case when you buy online. So be aware, if you're buying crystals online, to check in the description or check with the seller that the one that they're showing in the picture is the one that they will send. But that's definitely what this lady does. And yeah, it always feels like a real treat, because it comes so beautifully wrapped and with a little, I don't know what that's called. Is it glitterati or something? I don't know. It's not glitter. Glitter annoys me. This is little shapes. Look. Oh, off camera. Find it. There we go. That's a bit of a trademark for her. But yeah, love it. Love this seller, and I love buying crystals from her. Just wanted to say big love to Crazicarmas crystals on eBay. And I'll see you in another video very soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and for more inspiration, please visit the blog on www.billiescraftroom.wordpress.com.